Great word.
Dogs are getting electrocuted.
Uh-oh.
I got Mo again. I know the stories.
You know
for
the
Mo.
stories, yeah.
Got
I
the
got Mo
keywords.
every time, man.
You perked them up.
I'll take care of Mo every single time he sits over there, and he's like, just as he starts to get relaxed, and he's kind of
Cozied in.
yeah, he's like, you guys go ahead. That's what happens on certain topics. Like, you guys go ahead, and then jolt him just like these dogs on the sidewalk. So,
nice.
so these dogs, no. I want to actually jolt. These dogs in New York City, it's like a well-known thing, apparently, according to Inside Edition and the people they interviewed. Dogs are just walking. It's a regular daily walk, and then boom, electrocution. Play a little bit of it. Dogs walking, bang. Oh, electrocuted. Bam. Okay, pause it. So there's a group that has come together that have noticed that this is happening. Now, you walk around the city streets, obviously you wear shoes.
Mm-hmm.
So you're somewhat protected from this. Dogs walk around just with the skin.
Yeah.
And so they found different points in New York City where this is going on. They call it stray voltage. It's a combination of factors, including the weather and moisture. You're making facial expressions over there, Mo.
It's like you can see, you can feel the pain.
You feel it.
Yeah.
You feel it. And so anyway, this one person noticed that this one particular spot in the sidewalk was getting all kinds of dogs coming through, started filming over there to see
if this is just happening continuously.
Consistent. So you have moisture, you have cold, you have old, you have old wiring in some cases.
Right.
And here's the craziest part. You see this dog playing in the snow there? That dog is dead. That dog hit a spot and
just that accident.
Had
right here.
No. This is the dog playing because she had footage of it.
Yeah.
Oh.
So just so you knew the dog, but the dog stepped on a spot and had a stroke and a seizure, and that was it from the electrocution. So it's actually an issue over there. So they got an electrician out. He sort of explained it, and they're able to pick up stray voltage all over the place, all over the city, that this stuff is going on.
Oh,
wow.
And so beware if you're out there. I don't know. Maybe that's why people put those little boots on the dog in the city. I don't know.
Yeah.
wow.
Well, I'm happy that no one's like doing this. This is just something that needs to be maintained. And
Oh, you thought it was malicious at first.
I thought somebody's out here like, you know.
It's crazy. You just wouldn't think you're walking across pavement and that would be possible.
No.
You would be, imagine you're walking your dog.
Yeah.
What would your thought be? It wouldn't be electricity.
No, it wouldn't be the first thought at all.
You would think something was stuck in the paw.
Yeah.
You would try to figure out what's going on. It would take a little bit to be like, wait a sec. They were electrocuted.
Yeah. I actually don't think I would ever get to that conclusion, to be honest.
Well, unless you started talking to other people and realize it was a trend.